Pleasure to be here, and it's great to have the opportunity to talk a little bit about the fuel cell story, because it's a story that's not well understood generally in energy and in renewables, and in this part of the world especially. It's a story that I think needs to be better understood, and in this case, simple misrealities around energy, clean energy technologies, geopolitical realities, GHG emissions, an increasing concern about climate change. Whether you're a believer or you're not a believer, broadly, that concern is not going to go away. And even basic particulate emissions and the linkage to health problems, environmental problems. There are clear legacy problems, and over time those legacy problems are going to get more attention and more concern. And at the same time, the legacy problems don't go away. There has been progress with new clean energy technologies. It's been slow progress, and not surprising given the nature of the field. But there's been steady progress in terms of product cost reductions and improvements in performance efficiency of these new energy technologies. When there was a lot of hype around fuel cell technology going back 5 years ago, 10 years ago, there was a tremendous amount of focus, hope, hype around fuel cells in automotive application. Fuel cells in the near term replacing internal combustion engines in cars. That work still goes on. What was really misunderstood in that work was the realistic timeline to dramatically reduce the cost of the fuel cell in an automotive propulsion system, and over time as well to develop a hydrogen fueling capability. That, any way you look at it, is a long-term challenge. What Ballard has done, and a lot of companies in the space has done, given that reality, has been to switch over the last 5-6 years to focus on commercial markets, short-term markets, where you can take a legacy of technology development and apply that to simpler problems to replace diesel engines, lead-acid batteries, diesel gensets in a multi-megawatt level. Important to understand, too, that there has been radical changes within companies in this sector, not surprisingly. So in the case of Ballard, in the 5 years I've been involved with Ballard, it has been a complete transformation to a multi-megawatt level. Important to understand, too, that there has been radical changes within companies in this sector, not surprisingly. So in the case of Ballard, in the 5 years I've been involved with Ballard, it has been a complete transformation. It's spent years of joint research and technology development with Ford and Daimler. Our company has spent over $1 billion